Artha the elephant loved to trumpet hello to everyone in the jungle. But her trumpet was a bit too loud. It scared the monkeys from their swings and made the butterflies flutter away in a panic. Artha felt sad. She just wanted to be friends, but her loud greeting scared everyone away. One day, a tiny ant named Antony scurried past. Artha, feeling shy, lowered her trunk and whispered, "Hello." Antony stopped, surprised. No one ever talked softly to him. "Hello," he squawked. "Why are you whispering?" Artha explained her problem. "My trumpet is too loud," she sighed. "No one wants to be friends with me." Antony thought for a moment. "Maybe you need a smaller sound," he declared. He scurried up Artha's trunk and climbed inside. There he found a tiny, hollow space near her trumpet. "Can you blow softly here?" Antony asked. Artha took a deep breath and blew a gentle puff of air. A sweet, high-pitched sound came out. It tickled Antony's head and he giggled. Artha practiced making these soft sounds. Now, when she saw the monkeys, she'd give a small toot to say hello. The butterflies fluttered closer, curious about the new gentle music. Artha was no longer lonely. She learned that even the smallest voice, like Antony's, can help you make the biggest difference. And a kind greeting, big or small, can open the door to new friendships.
If you like this story, please subscribe the channel, like and share it with others. See you in the next video.